lost at night in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babaylan TV.
Hello Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your bonus reading February the 8th to February the 14th. Hindi po ito late. This is additional reading. Meron na po tayong reading na for February the 8th to February the 14th. Paki-check na lang po yung playlist or paki-check yung ending ng video. Nandun po, ilalagay ko po yung link ng video for February the 8th to February the 14th. This is an update, no? Additional lang ito. Wala dapat na ganito. So for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo'y nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So kung hindi po kayo nakaka-resonate dito, pwede pong tignan nyo ang reading doon sa ating Babaylan TV channel. Meron din po doon ibang reading for February the 8th to February the 14th. No? Nagla-live tayo doon, so pwede kayong sumali. You're very much welcome to do so. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. Speaking of simula, Leo, ang dami niyong gustong simulan, no? Siguro meron tayong mga bagay na dapat sinimulan na hindi naman natin nagawa back then. Sinimulan dapat na magnegosyo. Sinimulan na dapat mag-impok or mag-save ng money. Simulang mag-aral uli. Sinimulan pumasok muli sa trabaho, mag-apply, no? Or mag-try ng ibang trabaho abroad or whether dito sa ating bansa. I am also seeing in here na siguro pinupush nyo rin yung sarili nyo when it comes to love, no? Na maiba naman itong takbo ng aming relationship. Kumbaga, if we are in the situationship, yung walang label, no? Sana mapunta na ito or pinipilit mapunta ito sa isang committed relationship, no? Kung item naman na kayo, kung kayo ay magjowa na, probably gusto niyo magkaroon ng cohabitation or living in together, proposal, no? Kung kaya, sana mag-propose na si person or kung ikaw itong magpa-propose, sana magawa ko na, no? Anytime soon. Or marriage, no? If you're already married, probably magkaroon ng anak. Kung meron ng anak, bumukod or magkaroon ng sariling bahay or sariling sasakyan. Ano? So, with the Six of Cups, and may mga chances are, medyo meron tayong mga inunang mga bagay, which is, I think, at that moment in time, sinabi natin, priority muna natin itong mga ito. No? Let's say, priority ko muna ang mga bata. Example lang ito, ha? Priority ko muna yung mga bata since nandiyan na, no? Pag lumaki, tsaka na lang ako either magfo-focus sa sarili ko, mag-aral uli, no? Or pagpatuloy yung negosyo, or magsimula ng negosyo, or whatever. No? Basta there's something that you prioritized at that moment in time. And then parang siguro nawala na sa isip nyo or nakatabi siya, no, for a long while, and then naalala nyo, sandali, no, meron pala akong, nakalimutan ko na lang na meron pala akong ganitong pangarap, na ganitong ninanais na ma-achieve sa buhay ko. Is it the right time for me, no, to para mag-focus na dito with the Knight of Cups and the Six of Swords? Hindi naman tayo sa nagmamadali. Actually, yung iba sa inyo, siguro nandito pa lang sa part na nagpaplano, yung iba gumagawa na ng hakbang. Pero hindi dun sa part na tatalon agad. Kasi we're trying to balance things out with the Ace of Pentacles in here and the Two of Swords. So ang nakikita natin dito kasi gusto pa rin natin siyang ma-achieve, no? Kahit na medyo malaki yung gap, malayo na itong energy sa atin, lagi mo sinasabi, it's better late than never, no? Gagawin ko pa rin siya kasi nakakahinayang. Alam na alam mo sa sarili mo na napakadami mong potentials, na napakadami mo sanang sabihin natin pwedeng ma-achieve, napakadami pwede pang mangyari, no? Feeling mo, kaya pa naman ang katawan ko, pwedeng bata pa naman ako, or malakas pa yung katawan ko, bata pa doon sa age ko, no? Kaya pa ng isip ko, matataas pa yung isip ko. With the Temperance, I think at this very moment, kung hindi man mo ginagawa ito sa isang professional institution katulad ng trabaho sa corporate, no, or pag-aaral ng specific subjects, I think na siguro nandito tayo sa YouTube University, no, kahit papano binibigyan natin ng kaalaman ang sarili natin, ina-update natin, no. Ito na pala nangyayari sa field na yon, ito na pala nangyayari sa mga ganitong sitwasyon. So kung love naman ito, siguro nandito ka sa part na you're trying, no, trying things up para at least maiangat mo, no, itong relationship into another level. Knight of Pentacles, kasi parang feeling mo dito medyo stuck ka na, medyo hindi na ito umuusad, no? Parang there's no sense in life if you're not expanding. Kasi si Leo, siya yung parang ambitious person no? Ewan ko ba bakit sa Philippines, pag tinawag na ambisyosa or ambisyoso, ang sama ng connotation, wherein sa ibang lugar naman, proud silang sabihin because I'm an ambitious person. Walang masama sa pag-aambisyon, no? Kasi nga, we are people. We are expanding, no? That I'm not sure kasi dito sa atin, pag sabi ambisyoso, mayabang na agad, no? Yung sa kanila kasi with confidence, no? Sa ibang lugar, pag sinabing I'm ambitious, that is accompanied by confidence, will, perseverance, no? Sa atin kasi pag sinabing ambisyoso, may arrogant, no? May arrogance, merong pagka-bullheadedness, no? Always palaging tama. So magkaiba yung connotations natin, no? Pati yung salvage, no? So, the true meaning of salvage is to revive, no? To help, to rescue. Sa atin lang naman pag sinabing salvage, papatayin, no? So kapag sa ibang lugar, pag sinabing, oh, this person is trying to salvage this woman, keme-keme. So pag Pinoy nakarinig nun, ay papatayin niya, no. The person is trying to help or rescue the woman, that's salvage. Sa atin lang yon, no. Meron tayong ibang meaning of salvage. With the 10 of Wands, so parang nahihirapan tayo ngayon medyo i-push. Meron ba ditong panghihinayang din na sana before medyo inayos-ayos natin itong mga bagay, sana hindi natin siya talagang nilagay sa pinaka-list ng priorities, pero here we are, no? With the Magician, you feel like you are now more capable of pursuing this dahil you have the learnings, you have the age, you have the wisdom, you have all the tools for you to parang sabihin natin i-push, i-try. Feeling ko wala nang mawawala, no? Kasi kapag sinubukan natin, dahil again, if it works, I feel that you're satisfied with what you're having. This is just an extra with the 2 of Wands. I think katulad ng sinabi ko, medyo ginagawa mo na siya. Medyo nagsisimula na tayo. And the Queen of Wands, medyo vocal tayo dito. Or with the Hanged Woman, kailangan ba nating maging vocal? No, yung iba siguro nakapagsalita na sa iba, o kailangan ko bang ipagkalat ito, kailangan ko bang i-post ito, or kailangan ko na lang itong gawin muna sa sarili ko. No? With the Star in here, napakaganda dahil whatever it is that you're trying to achieve, do, I feel like nandito ka na. no? There will be some sort of recognition or reward prior parang yung spotlight is on you, you're gonna be placed in a pedestal, you're gonna be well known. Um, promotions, no? I feel like because of the age, yung nga sabi ko, the wisdom itself, napakadami na ng pinagdaanan. It might not be the age, but yung sa dami ng pinagdaanan, merong mga matatanda na walang pinagkatandaan, merong mga bata na parang, di ba, nakakita na kayo ng bata. One example is nung si um, Ginang Maliit ba yun sa Itbulaga before si Riza, no? Kapag kinausap mo siya before, at that age, kala mo matanda yung kausap mo, di ba? So, merong mga bata na, ahead mag-isip, no? With the star in here, I feel like kung gusto mo talaga itong gawin, this is achievable, no? This is doable, and this is yung parang, kaya siyang realistic, no? Realistic. Siguro before medyo, kung noon mo yan ginawa, I feel like you're gonna somehow get more challenges because of the experiences na baka kulang pa tayo. Kaya nga dito nga dadating yung time na sinasabi natin na there is a reason for everything. No, baka kung noon yan, baka we failed. No. Pero ngayon parang we're geared up with the magicians in here. So ang nakikita natin dito is nothing but success. It's elevation. It is something that we probably need to celebrate, no? Kaya kung itong mga agam-agam, itong mga plano, no, um, kailangan ng simulan, kailangan ng gawin. Let's get some more cards here. Gusto ko lang po ipaalala, Leo, na doon po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, nagla-live po tayo doon. Pwede kayong sumali. So kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. Ayan. Kung hindi nyo naaabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatalugin ng yes or no lang, no, edi dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. There is a link, no, dito po sa description box. Click the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, question form, amount per question, no, name, number, QR code for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it kasi discounted price siya. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So Leo, are you thinking about me? So probably ito yung iniisip natin sa sarili natin na doon sa ating person, no? Naiisip mo rin ba ako? Naiisip mo rin ba itong mga pangarap ko sa buhay? I feel like sinakripisyo ko ang aking sariling pangarap for this relationship, for the family. No, I think that this is the time for me to do it. Are you naiintindihan mo ba kung saan ako nanggagaling? No? Or naiintindihan mo ba kung saan ako nanggagaling? Bakit gusto kong i-move forward itong connection natin into another level of relationship dahil matagal na tayong kampante dito sa sitwasyon na ito. And I think we are ready, no, para to take it up a notch. No, let's get some message from the universe. Make it your mission to accept all parts of you, the good and what you perceive to be your imperfections. Don't look at any outside validations. It's already within you. Once you realize your true beauty and potential, you will never doubt yourself again. So I think that marami rin tayong mga bagay na isinuwalang tabi, no? Katulad nga nito, kasi parang feeling mo hindi pa kaya that time, hindi pa natin, kumbaga, mababa ang kumpiyansa natin that time. Pero ngayon, kailangan mong mahalin pati ang good, bad, and the ugly, no? About yourself. Again, there's no perfect person. If you're probably checking on someone else's, no, try to check within yourself because you are also capable, doable, lovable, and realistic, no. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Aquarius, Aries, Scorpio, Leo. Did I just mention Taurus? Yes, Virgo. Makakapwa Leo nga yan, no? Sagittarius, Scorpio, Cancer, Capricorn. Yep. Did I just mention Pisces? Yeah. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.